Meet the Xiaomi YT3 Drone, a compact aerial machine that fits right in the palm of your hand, but delivers big performance where it matters most. Equipped with an 8K dual-camera system, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and reliable GPS support, this tiny quadcopter is designed to give you stable, beautiful shots without the complexity or cost of larger drones. The YT3 features a full protection frame, keeping the propellers enclosed for safer indoor and outdoor flying, perfect for first-time pilots or younger users. With its optical flow hover, the drone automatically maintains stable positioning, while the built-in 6-axis gyroscope smooths out your flight movements. You'll also get fun and flexible controls, a 90-degree manually adjustable lens, dual camera switching, 50x digital zoom, and immersive flights with 360-degree rolls at the top of a button. Take photos, record videos, switch between speed modes, or use the one-button start and stop. Everything is designed to be simple, responsive, and reliable. Despite weighing only 64 grams, the Xiaomi YT3 offers impressive functionality, a control range of up to 18,000 meters, smooth operation through both the remote controller and mobile app, and a safe return distance of 50 to 70 meters. With fast 45-minute charging and a durable ABS build, this drone is crafted for convenience and performance. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the drone, remote controller, battery, USB charging cable, replacement blades, screwdriver, and full instructions. Upgraded versions even include a memory card for instant storage. So, if you're searching for an entry-level drone that packs power, portability, and protection into a micro-sized body, the Xiaomi YT3 Drone is definitely a model worth checking out. Let's dive deeper into real-world flight tests, camera samples, and whether this drone truly delivers on its 2025 promise.